Opening scene. Cinematic slow-motion shot of a shredded giant yellow cat in designer shorts, adjusting his diamond-studded bow tie. Dramatic orchestral music swells. Suddenly, boom! A towering humanoid coyote smashes through a wall, roaring. Chaos erupts. Narrator. Deep, intense voice. This was supposed to be the most luxurious, jacked-up cat wedding of all time, until it became a war zone. Today, we uncover the insane true story of a $10 million feline bodybuilder wedding that ended in a bloodbath against mutant human coyotes. Act 1. The world's most ripped cat ties the knot. 3 minutes. Cut to glossy, hyper-realistic shots of the groom, a massive, muscular yellow cat named Titan Fluff. Narrator. Meet Titan Fluff, a genetically enhanced 40-pound behemoth of a cat, bred for perfection. His muscles, lab-grown. His fur, gold-infused. His wedding, a $10 million spectacle for the ages. B-roll montage. Titan Fluff doing weighted pull-ups in a custom gym. A close-up of his glowing yellow eyes and diamond fang implants. Is bride a sleek Siamese bodybuilder cat posing in a crystal-embedded wedding dress? VIP guests, celebrity pets, billionaires, and a suspiciously buff parrot in a tuxedo. Narrator. But beneath the glamour, something sinister was watching from the woods. Act 2. The human coyote monsters attack. 4 minutes. Cut to security footage, grainy but terrifying. A 9-foot-tall humanoid coyote with glowing red eyes steps into the light. Its muscles ripple, its jaws drip with saliva. Narrator whispering. Witnesses described them as demons from an old Native American legend. Cursed beings, half coyote, half man, awakened by the wedding's obscene wealth. Dramatic reenactment. A coyote man grabs a sushi tower and devours it whole. Titan Fluff roars, flexing as his wedding guests scream. The buff parrot from earlier squawks and dive bombs a coyote's face. Narrator. It wasn't just a raid, it was a revenge. Legends say these creatures hate excess, and this wedding was the ultimate insult. Act 3. The War of the Beasts. 3 minutes. Montage of battle. Titan Fluff suplexes a coyote through a champagne tower. Billionaires use solid gold tableware as weapons. A coyote man gets knocked out by a flying diamond-encrusted cat collar. The bride cat delivers a roundhouse kick to a monster's snout. Narrator. This wasn't just a fight. It was an animal kingdom clash of titans. Act 4. The aftermath. 2 minutes. Cut to news reports. Interviews with shell-shocked guests. Guest crying. I saw a coyote punt a chihuahua into a chandelier. It was beautiful and terrible. Narrator. The mansion was in ruins. Titan Fluff, missing. The coyotes, gone, but not forgotten. Final shot, a single glowing coyote eye in the darkness. Then, smash cut to black. Narrator, sinister whisper. Dot, dot, dot. Was this nature's revenge? A government experiment gone wrong? Or just what happens when you give a cat too much money? Outro. Smash like if you'd fight alongside Titan Fluff.